Sa iba pang balita, pinangunahan naman ni Pangulong Aquino ang presentation ceremonies ng 2014 Ramon Magsaysay Awards sa CCP Complex sa lungsod ng Pasay. Sa nasabing okasyon, binigyan diin ng Pangulo ang kontribusyon ng mga awardees sa kanilang larangan. Ang ulat mula kay Julius Lisamburo.
Nanguna si Pangulong Aquino sa presentation ceremonies ng 2014 Ramon Magsaysay Awards sa Cultural Center of the Philippines, Pasay City. Dito ay ipinakilala ang 5 individual na nakatanggap ng nasabing presteryosong parangal. Kabilang sa mga ito sina Hu Chulinan China dahil sa kontribusyon nito sa social responsibility at larangan ng pamamahayag, Wan Shanfa mula pa din sa China dahil naman sa pagsusulong ng proteksyon sa karapatan ng mga biktima ng environmental abuse lalo na ang mga mahihirap at powerless, habang si Saur Marlina Manurong ng Indonesia ay sa pagpapaunlad ng katutubong komunidad. Kasama din sina Omara Khan Masudi ng Afghanistan sa aspeto ng kultura, Citizens Foundation ng Pakistan sa pagpapanatili ng mataas na kalidad ng professionalism at ang natatanging Pilipinong guro na si Randy Halasan dahil sa dedikasyon nitong palakasin ang sektor ng edukasyon.
Of ensuring that governments always remain true to their core mission of improving people's lives. Therefore, we also recognize our winners in other fields. We have Mr. Wang Chanfa, a lawyer from China who has worked tirelessly to protect the environmental rights of pollution victims and to hold polluters accountable. We have Mr. Omari Khan Masudi, who, while working in the National Museum of Afghanistan, went to great lengths to literally hide his country's cultural treasures from those who threatened to steal or destroy them. And we have Ms. Hu Shuli, a prominent Chinese journalist who has ably fulfilled their duties as a journalist towards promoting good governance. Each of these individuals has confronted, at times, long-standing problems or their latest permutations.
Ipinapakita nito ang kakayahan at pagtutulungan ng pamahalaan at mamamayan na nagiging daan upang maprotektahan ang kapakanan ng bawat isa.
In other words, they have not been content to complain, but have been inspired to act, with solutions that are relevant and replicable. I am hopeful that the honor they receive today will serve as a challenge to all of us, reminding us that in our respective fields of expertise, we each have the capacity to help those who have less. In President Ramon Magsaysay's day, the challenge was how democracy could strengthen newly independent nations in the face of tyranny and totalitarianism.
Hamon ng punong ehekutibo sa lahat na ipagpatuloy at sundan ang yapak ni dating Pangulong Ramon Magsaysay na siyang may malaking ambag sa pag-unlad ng Pilipinas at pagkakaisa ng mga Pilipino.
President Magsaysay in his credo had already envisioned our pursuit of inclusive growth. He said that, and I quote, "The little man is fundamentally entitled to a little bit more food in his stomach, a little more cloth on his back, and a little more roof over his head." Close quote. This is precisely what all of us, including myself and our awardees today, continue to aspire for. How we respond to this challenge of uplifting our fellow men in the margins will determine what history will write about our generation. Moving forward, I'm hopeful that more men and women will follow the footsteps of Ramon Magsaysay and our awardees today, so that we may work together and rise up to the challenge of our times.
Ito na ang ika-56 na taon ng pagbibigay parangal ng Ramon Magsaysay Foundation bilang pagkilala sa kontribusyon ni dating Pangulong Magsaysay tungo sa kaunlaran at demokrasya sa Asya. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Julius D. Samburon.